feel it's just a superficial thrill. Everybody's gonna have to think again. We sent troops to Afghanistan and give order for George Bush. I tell you what, when it all comes down to it, there come a time when I'll depend on family. I'll look around, they won't be there. I'm telling you, they not gonna know what to do, won't have a clue. When the undercovers come for me, can't help me. Matter of fact, don't wanna know me. My own brother, put your faith in God like no other. Please don't take my job to the undercover. On a cell phone in bed with your lover. Honey, who are you talking about? That's not your brother. They won't listen. In the name of Jesus, I look around. All my friends look down and out. What's really going on? Nothing. You understand? But you sent people kids to fight in Iraq. Tell me something. The undercover came through, did what they were paid to do. When they come for me, and good afternoon. And everybody's got an opinion about the way they think the stuff's gonna end. Some folks feel it's just a superficial thrill. Everybody's gonna have to think again. Everybody's got an opinion about the way they think the stuff's gonna end. Some folks feel it's just a superficial thrill. Everybody's gonna have to think again. When I first began rhyming, my name was Episode, and then went from that to Young Plaza. Nowadays I go by Q, but you never know I could use my government name if I had to. You supposed to watch my back and vice versa. I came through singing this rap like it was all good. Somewhere they told you that it might hurt you, and so you ain't heard this track in y'all hood. Everywhere you see me, I'm wearing a bulletproof vest. One cowboy boot with one roller skate, one on the right, the other on the left. How can I judge you if my life is a mess? By following what others are doing would be a good guess, because I feel like I'm keeping it real. You can keep it real, it means nothing, I bet. And truth wouldn't keep the truth concealed and have sex. By the letter. Everybody's got an opinion about the way they think the stuff's gonna end. Some folks feel it's just a superficial thrill. Everybody's gonna have to think again. Everybody's got an opinion about the way they think the stuff's gonna end. Some folks feel it's just a superficial thrill. Everybody's gonna have